Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save image attribution on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings, and now here you will find saved image attribution. Just click like this and it will be turned off, and that's how to turn off saved image attribution on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.